So someone just asked me how can they correctly add team members in their SaleGen account. So basically, if you have multiple employees or you just want like different people to be present, basically people who can access the SaleGen account, then this is exactly how you can do the same. So simply just log into your SaleGen account, go to app.salegen.com, and after that come to settings at the bottom left corner. Just simply click on this. After that, go to My Staff, which is the third option. Just click over here. And after that, click on Add Employee, just this plus button. After that, you just require the first name and the last name and the email. So email can be anyone, like you can use your normal Gmail as well. I'm just putting the email which the person wanted me to add. So the first name and the last name and the email. Phone number is optional, like you don't have to do it. But yeah, after that, what I'll suggest is a lot of the times people have issues like what will happen if you can just like continue ahead with it and go to next and save. But then the person has to set their own password. They'll basically receive an email and in the email they can set their own password. But once again, it's an extra step. And if you want to simplify the process, just click on this advanced settings and you can give a password according to your own, like just create a password so that the person does not even have to think of it. Just create a password and this password can be changed by the person later on. So yeah, just add a password over here. You need a uppercase and a lowercase character and one special symbol or number. And yeah, it should be at least 8 characters long. Once that is done, like add the name, email, and just give it a password which you can remember. Go to next. After that, you can select what type of a role they have. It can either be like a user role or an admin role. When they have like a user role, they can just access the records and everything. They cannot make a lot of decisions. So if you want them just to monitor some basic stuff, keep it as a user. But I'm keeping it here as an admin. They can make changes as well. Yeah, basically that. Once you're done with this, you can like review all the permissions they have, like what exactly they can see. So for example, if you don't want to give them the ability that they cannot create invoices and send out invoices, like simply untick this. If you don't want them to have the power that they can change the CRMs or the pipelines, untick this. If you don't want them to manage your communities, whatever, untick this. If you don't want to give them the power to add the media, like use our platform as Google Drive basically, untick this. If you don't want them to post on your socials, untick this. If you don't want to give them the power to manage integrations, untick this. If you don't want to give them the power to manage like funnels or maybe the conversations which are happening, basically you can see what they can see and control and what they cannot. So just tick and untick whatever powers you want to give to them and just click on save over here. And yeah, you're pretty much good to go. That's all you had to do. So now the user will also receive an email, but what you can tell them to do is just go to app.salegen.com, this exact domain, app.salegen.com. I'll just show you what it will look like. If you open it up on an incognito window, just open this up. Go to app.salegen.com and just enter the email ID which the person shared with you, this, and the password which you set for them. I'll always suggest like set up a password for them the first time they're logging in, and after that they can change it. Just click on sign in, and yeah, you're gonna receive a security code on the email, and that's how you log in. Once you do that, like you will receive an OTP. Just enter the OTP and now you can log in. And if you want to receive the OTP on your phone, you are facing issues with getting the OTP, just simply click on this pencil icon on the team member's name, click on this edit button and add a phone number over here as well, like with the correct country code and everything, and then you can receive an OTP via SMS as well. So that also works out if you're having issues receiving it on email. And you can add unlimited employees. Just do this for all the people and you will be pretty much good to go.